Hi, today I'm going to show you how you can download Roblox on laptop and on PC. So from Chrome here, just search up Roblox. On Roblox, go to this upper website here, click on Roblox, and then you'll have to log in first or sign up. I'm going to log in real quick. I'm going to enter in my username. After logging in, you'll see that it seems like we can play Roblox on the web browser here, right? So let me pick something like Squid Game here, right? Squid Game. And then I'm just gonna click on play. There you go. Roblox is downloading. Get ready. You can see right now it says download and install Roblox. Click on this, right? And then they already give you a tutorial like this, right? And then it'll say something like Roblox Player Installer exe. Download it here. Just click on that. Click on run. And then you see it'll say it's installing Roblox. And then it'll start the Roblox player real quick. Give it a second. Now you'll see we have Roblox installed and now we can start playing the game. If you like this video, please consider liking and subscribing.